Hey guys, Danica here from Dano Talks Health. Today we're going to talk about the best essential oil brands for your particular needs. So I have been a consumer of essential oils for a really long time. This video isn't sponsored. I'm not being paid to recommend these brands. These are brands that I have personally purchased myself, used, enjoyed, and I think that they're really high quality, good products to recommend to others. So if you're going to be buying essential oils, I would really recommend that you buy organic essential oils, just because you might be ingesting these essential oils, breathing them in, putting them on your skin, and the less pesticides the better, right? And you're probably going to get a pure product with more concentrated medicinal properties if it's organic anyways. So it depends on why you're buying the essential oils. If you're buying essential oils and you really are interested in purchasing bulk, so maybe you're running a home business or you're making DIY products that have a lot of essential oils in them and you're going to be needing a lot of product and you're running through it, I really highly recommend the company called Mountain Rose Herbs. This is a really well-known, well-established company that sells all types of foods, herbs, teas, essential oils. They sell a lot of stuff, but they have an entire essential oil section, and it's really great for buying bulk because you can buy up to 16-ounce bottles of particular essential oils, in my opinion, for a really decent price. And the whole idea here is that you're going to order maybe 2 or 3 times a year and get like a huge shipment so that you don't pay as much in shipping. I think they have flat shipping rates. And you just order like a lot of product that's going to last you a really long time because you can order such large quantities. If you're looking just for personal use, just for yourself at home, and you're like shopping on Amazon or even the health store I've seen this brand at, it's called Aura Cassia. I love this essential oil brand. They also do really great carrier oils too, like rosehip oil or almond oil. I think they're really underrated. They don't do a whole lot of marketing, but I've had a really good experience with this brand, and the thing I like about it the most is that all of their products are organic and they're sustainably sourced. They're pure and they're really affordable. Like, they aren't overpriced. In my opinion, it's some of the cheapest organic but pure and high quality essential oils you will find in terms of price. They don't overcharge you at all, and they have great packaging, cute packaging. But like I said, it's a really underrated brand that nobody really talks about, but I've used their essential oils for years because I trust their quality and their purity, and again, they source sustainably, so you're helping the environment. And if you're looking for something like extra, you're looking for really unique brands, maybe you're looking for like luxury type of natural products, natural essential oils, homemade, I would look into the company called Living Libations. This is kind of like a bourgeois type of company in the holistic healing field and in the natural healing field. Like, a lot of people know about this company. It's sort of a family-run company, and all of the formulations were created by the mother. She is obsessed with essential oils and natural products. She has dedicated her life to creating different formulations for different things, a lot of interesting essential oil blends that are really unique. She doesn't just make essential oil blends, she makes like face serums, cleansers, balms. She does dental care essential oil. She does essential oil for babies, for giving birth, for all types of things, like very specialized. Check out Living Libations. They have a site. I think they ship internationally, so you can see what their shipping rates are for that. I've tried their products and they're really high quality. But the price you're going to be paying, it's not as cheap as Aura Cassia. So those are the brands that I've personally used and enjoyed for myself, and I highly recommend all of these brands. I know it can be really hard when you're shopping on Amazon because you look at these brands and you don't know if they're coming up in search because people paid for reviews. Like, you don't know if it's legitimately good. You don't actually know where it's sourced from. You don't know if you can trust these companies. But the companies I recommend, they've been around for years, they're very well established, they have excellent products, never had any issues with any of these companies. So in my opinion, those are the best essential oil brands that I would recommend to people. So if you have any essential oil brands that you think are great too, comment them down below for others to know about them, because maybe I just haven't discovered them for myself, so I would like to know too. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope that this helps, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!